One of the most frustrating moments after an accident is when you think everything is already figured out. You have the insurance claim started. You have an estimate in your hand. You think the process is clear. And then the actual repair begins. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and I want to talk about something many drivers are not prepared for. The moment insurance expectations and repair reality do not match. This happens more often than people realize. A customer comes in after a collision. Maybe the outside damage looks limited. Maybe it seems like the bumper just needs paint and replacement. Maybe the estimate looks straightforward. But once the vehicle is inspected more closely, or once parts are removed, additional damage can appear. Now suddenly the repair is not as simple as it first looked. And from the customer's point of view, that can feel alarming. They may think, wait a minute, why is this changing? They may wonder, wasn't this already approved? They may even worry that someone is trying to add unnecessary work. But often, the real issue is simple. The damage you can see is not always the full damage that exists. Modern vehicles have layers: bumpers, brackets, sensors, reinforcements, mounting areas, alignment concerns. Sometimes the visible damage is just the surface. What is underneath tells the real story. That is why repair reality sometimes looks different from the original expectation. This is also where communication matters a lot. A good shop does not just say, "It costs more now." A good shop explains why. They document what was found. They show where the additional damage is, and they help the customer understand what is necessary to repair the vehicle correctly. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, that is the approach we believe in. We know customers want honesty. They want to know what changed, why it changed, and what that means for the next step. They do not want to feel like they are stuck in a process they do not understand. And honestly, that is one of the biggest differences between a stressful repair experience and a manageable one. Not everything after an accident goes exactly according to the first impression. But that does not mean the process is broken. It often means the repair is being looked at carefully and handled the right way. So if your insurance estimate and your repair situation do not seem to match perfectly, do not panic. Ask questions, get clarity, make sure the explanation makes sense, and work with a shop that will walk you through it instead of leaving you in the dark. If you want straight answers and quality repairs, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll help you understand what your vehicle really needs and why.